won't believe your eyes. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most ridiculous and downright confusing truck maneuvers ever caught on camera. From poorly timed turns and unbelievable drifts to hilariously failed reverse attempts, you'll be left wondering, how did these people even get a license? Get ready, because what you're about to see will leave you both laughing and furious. Oh, heavens to Betsy. Watch this excavator fail turn into a deep-sea diving trip. This operator is either a total genius or completely crazy, removing a dam with a bagger accident. He must think that machine is a submarine. Hope he packed his flotation device in a sandwich. Oh, heavens to Betsy. Watch these total dangerous idiots try to turn a huge 10-ton, 20,000-pound excavator into a mountain goat. These crane fails are absolutely insane. Did they get their license from a gumball machine? Grab your popcorn. This is better than any reality TV show.
Wait, Rick, no! Outside!
Gee whiz, these dangerous idiots are treating their excavators like mountain bikes. Watch these crazy operators turn a bulldozer into a speed racer, climbing hills like they're after a $5 Starbucks coffee. I bet their insurance company is having a heart attack. Pure madness.
Caramba!
Gee whiz, hauling this massive Cat 352 farads excavator up to 6,890 feet, 2,100 meters. That's higher than a mile-high skyscraper. Watch Fasula's heavy transports move a whole crusher like it's a Tonka truck. They must have had a lot of truck stop coffee for this job. Check out the incredible 4 Kelvin's view. Talk about power. 3 massive Caterpillar D9T bulldozers are reshaping the land in glorious 4 Kelvins. They're cleaning up the mine like it's a 3-foot, 1-meter snowdrift in your driveway. This is true American muscle putting the earth back in order. Don't miss this. Good heavens, this coal loading is extremely dangerous. Watching this mining crew is more intense than a NASCAR race. They're trying to balance a mountain of coal on a truck. I bet their bosses skip the safety meetings. Seriously, don't try this at home. Yikes.
cái vòng bài tập.
Good gracious, these idiot excavator operators are turning a 40,000-pound, 20-ton machine into a mountain goat. They're scaling cliffs faster than a squirrel up an oak tree. This is more dangerous than a NASCAR race. Talk about a death wish. They need a safety lesson and maybe a counselor. Oh, heavens to Betsy, these glacier fails are a chilling comedy show. Watch these operators turn a rescue into a hilarious disaster, trucks sliding on ice like a hockey puck. Someone needs to send these guys back to driving school. This is why we have insurance. Good heavens! This extremely dangerous excavator fails compilation is wild. These guys are operating tons of steel like it's a tricycle. They definitely missed the OSHA safety lecture. Watching this makes my back hurt and my social security check look better. Don't try this at home. Oh dear, these excavator fails are pure chaos. Watch these idiots turn their heavy equipment into a wrecking ball. Not the good kind. It looks like they got their training from a bad TV sitcom. They're making construction look as safe as walking on thin ice. Talk about teamwork. This little Kubota excavator is walking a tightrope of logs to rescue the bigger Sani machine. That's not construction, that's a Broadway show. This driver must have trained with the Navy SEALs. He deserves a hot dog and a cold beer for that slick rescue. Watch the million-view action. Gee whiz. Check out the massive Caterpillar 385C excavator on the move. This thing is heavier than a stack of 18-wheelers. After finishing the road job, watching them haul this 185,000-pound beast is truly something. I bet it uses more diesel than a cross-country road trip. Oh dear, watch these dangerous idiots turn heavy machinery into funny, expensive disasters. Excavators, trucks, ships, and cranes, they all crash and burn. It's a hilarious mess that makes a three-ring circus look tame. Good thing they're not driving on I-40. Grab your popcorn. Talk about a traffic jam. A crazy convoy of 11 massive trailers hauling heavy equipment is tackling a steep hill. It looks like they're trying to move the whole state of Texas up a mountain. I bet those drivers are earning every single dime they make. Watch this unbelievable haul. Holy moly! These excavator operator skills are so crazy, you'll think they're special effects. Watch these guys handle a 10,000-pound 5-ton bucket like it's a teacup. They're not operators, they're heavy metal ninjas. You gotta see this, it's better than cable TV. You won't believe your eyes. These idiots are turning a heavy excavator into a mountain goat. They're climbing faster than a squirrel grabbing a nut. This is pure, unadulterated danger. Don't try this in your backyard. I bet OSHA had a heart attack watching this. Lord have mercy. Gee whiz, this crazy horrible crane accident is a spine tingler. The crane drops like a rock from 50 feet, 15 meters. That driver must have a guardian angel the size of a Chevy Tahoe. Talk about a near miss. He should go buy a lottery ticket. You won't believe he escaped death. Well, I'll be. Did that hydraulic crane just give that truck a little sky-high lift? This road construction civil accident sent the vehicle flying about 20 feet, 6 meters, in the air. That wasn't in the blueprint. Maybe they thought they were buying a claw machine game. What a mess.
งานแหลกแหกมันครับสำหรับต้นเดือนนี้ครับผม
Yeehaw! These Million View kids are pulling off a rescue with an SY-140 that's straight up brutal and intense. They're working harder than a Texan cowboy on a ranch that's 10,000 acres. Look at that power. They deserve a big McDonald's feast after this. You won't believe your eyes. This excavator operator is climbing hills faster than my old Ford pickup on the interstate. This ain't driving, it's mountain climbing. I bet this fella had a Starbucks venti before pulling off these crazy dangerous stunts. What a thrill ride.
Mega tarik.
Oh, heavens to Betsy. An extreme dangerous rescue of a stuck excavator. Looks like someone took a wrong turn at Albuquerque. Now, a bulldozer has to play tug-of-war with a machine that weighs more than a pickup truck. It's high drama, folks. Bet they wish they had a tow rope from Harbor Freight.
Quiz criado.
Các bạn lên hát và lắp cho các bạn.
Now that's a spectacle. Watch the gigantic Cat 395 scoop up earth and load the Cat 777 dumpers like they're filling a coffee cup. Soteriatis is moving mountains. Each scoop looks heavy as a Ford F-150 pickup. This is heavy metal at its finest, in glorious 4K. Gee whiz, this is extreme dangerous driving. These idiots are turning a 5-ton excavator into a mountain goat. That climb is steeper than a roller coaster at Six Flags. I bet they're filming this for an insurance claim. You've got to see this crazy stunt.
Phát dao vào là mình lên quảngมันหยุดแล้วก็ได้นั้นก็หยุดเหลือนี่ว่าคือบ้าวะเนี่ยพ่อไปดีไปยังไงรถจอดอยู่รถจอด
ไม่ย้อนต้นมึงใหญ่เลยเนาะ
You won't believe your eyes. These excavator operator skills are so crazy, you'll swear they're CGI. They handle a 10,000-pound 5-ton bucket with the precision of a surgeon. These guys should be headlining in Vegas. Honestly, it's better than anything on cable TV. Don't miss this. Talk about a heavy haul. Look at Fasula's moving 2 massive Caterpillar 385C excavators. They each weigh a small house. That trailer must be hauling enough steel to build a skyscraper. Watch these guys perfectly load these beasts. Just don't try this on your way to the supermarket.
Fast forward, that's real time. This is how you get it into the truck. I've had people asking for this. You've seen the video of getting it out. Oh wait.
The arduous journey has ended, but the power of the giant machines still resonates. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next breathtaking action scenes. See you again in the upcoming eye-catching trips.
เตรียมตัวพร้อมสลิง